So many problems. Disregarded good advice. Was let go from a job. Gone nearly broke. Given up. Shaking from nerves. Subscriber giveaway. Hey Wonderfuls. A year ago today, I told 8 of my closest friends and family that I had launched some videos on YouTube. And today, I couldn't be happier to be celebrating the channel's 1-year birthday with all of you. Thank you so much for being here. And here's to 1 more year. What a year of up and downs. I've had so many problems that have required me to work with what I have and think outside the box, and I've received so many awesome ideas and inspiration. I've disregarded good advice about niching down and picking one subject and sticking with it on YouTube. But I've learned so many new things and that I like so many different things, and that I'm not a one-dimensional human, and you aren't either. I was let go from a job and from a relationship, and neither of them were actually right for me, and I probably wouldn't have quit them otherwise. So it worked out for the best, and now I'm open for the opportunities that are actually right for me. I have gone nearly broke with gas prices and not having a job, which could end up causing me to invent a dog-powered van. So it's not all bad. And I've learned to really cut down on things that I don't need and live within my means. I've given up on so many things, like perfection, which doesn't exist, and people-pleasing. Because while I do want to make a lot of you happy, I know I'm not going to make all of you happy, and that's just fine. I've also given up smoking, which I never thought I would. I have been literally shaking from nerves while stepping outside of my comfort zone, and it's paid off every single time. All I wanted to do was bounce some ideas back and forth on YouTube. I had no idea I was going to get the opportunity to be part of the most amazing community I have ever known. The wonderful humans of this community have made me laugh and cry and inspired me and challenged me and made life so much better. Thank you all. I've been so lucky to get countless shout-outs and amazing opportunities from so many incredible YouTubers. I've become super close with a lot of you and have met beautiful people and made friends with So many that I wouldn't have otherwise unless I posted some videos a year ago. So what's to come for Get Her Better in the second year of the channel? A subscriber giveaway that I will get to at the end of this video. And of course, more cheap DIY projects. I have got tons and tons of ideas for videos, and I can't wait to share them all with you. I will also be doing a full van tour, sharing a lot more of my house, and more of the fur babies with you. We've got plenty of adventures to go on together. I want to start doing live streams in the very, very near future. And I want to know what you guys want to see. I love your suggestions and questions and challenges. Let me know, and maybe I can make a video from that. Now the giveaway. If you'd be so kind as to leave a comment on this video, and everyone who does will have their name entered into a draw. And in the next week or two, I will be going live to do the draw and pick a name, and I will send that person a special Clover charm and some Get Her Better merch.